Hello, once again, good friends. Welcome new subscribers. I'm Brian from Apex Detail. This is going to be the final vlog on the interior restoration of the 2000 BMW 323 Ci convertible. We are putting in the finishing touches. We have the Manicci floor liner and floor mats to put in yet. I'm waiting for 3 or 4 small pieces that when they come in, I can snap them right on, send the car out the door. So today we're going to take the Manicci flooring, the liner, the mats, and all the fasteners out of the packaging, insert them in the car. We're going to clean things up. We're going to wrap up this project. Let's get out in the shop and get it done. As I wrap up the interior portion of this restoration, we have reskinned the seats, repaired or just completely replaced leather pieces. We have repaired the plastic and vinyl trim, both on the door panels, down around the floor, on the dash, filled in gashes and scratches. We re-dyed the whole interior to a lighter color, gives a little bit more reflection, which saves wear and tear and damage from UVA, UVB, but also lets the interior run a little bit cooler while the top is down. We have also polished all of the wood clear-coated trim and also re-dyed or repainted some of the plastic black trim as well. As a finished and cured project, we have also protected and ceramic coated the entire interior. It took 3 different kits, leather, plastic, and also the clear coated trim. Now, what we have left over is the floor. It wasn't in the budget to rip out the entire carpet. We also are waiting for these backrest pieces for the seats, and that's it. Then we can wrap this project up and start working on the outside of the car. So this is what I have decided to go for in the inside, and this is the Manicci diamond stitched leather inserts or lining for the entire interior floor. This covers 95 to 98% of the floor, which will hide the rug. We're going to deep clean it before we go ahead and do that. But we're going to unpackage this big bag here first. You get the passenger and driver side liner, and then a floor mat that gets attached inside onto the liner. And you get a single piece for behind the front seats that stretches all the way across. And that also gets 2 mats that attaches to them as well. The entire kit is $350, a really good price for very high quality stitching and leather. It's easy to clean. It is scratch proof. It is strong, it's durable, and it's very quick and easy to install. It is a great option instead of ripping up the carpet, tearing out the insulation, and just starting over from scratch. Installation is quick and easy. You just have to take your time and make sure it fits first. So that's what we're doing. We're fitting it first, and then we're going to take it back out and protect it. I'm also going to protect this with a ceramic coating for leather. It is luxury black diamond stitching on luxury leather. It is waterproof. It's specially designed to be a non-slip material, both underneath and on top of the liner itself. Now, to quickly correct myself, it's dove gray stitching on black leather. You could pick any color, beige, brown, caramel, tan, red. You can custom fit any color stitching and then combine that with whatever color leather you're looking for, and they are custom made, handmade, right from order. Not only fantastic to maybe hide or cover some unsightly flooring, but if you have a newer car and the flooring is in great shape, this does just an even better job in protecting it. Besides the stitching, there are 4 layers that makes up the Manicci luxury auto styling and liners and floor mats. You have the underlying layer, which is the anti-skid layer. Then there is the interlayer foam padding. And then there's the non-woven fabric. And on top of that then is laid the fine leather. Information you need. Well, of course, your make and model. You also need to let them know if it's a right-hand or left-hand drive vehicle. Then you need to pick your color scheme. And then how many rows of seats do you have, and as many details as you can down in the comment section. As of this moment, you can get 15% off using the code MN15, and I'll put a link down below. You can see how quick and easy installation is. Not much of a fuss, really. There are clamps, extra clamps and clips that come with it if there are some stubborn areas or the sides just do not hold tight against the wall. You can tuck under, you can use the clamps to keep it tight, and then your floor mats go on top and they clip in nice and snug. All right, the back's finished. Let's jump up to the front driver's side. And this section here has a couple folds and cuts as it goes in around the gas pedal and the brake or clutch, depending on what it is. It also has another little flap that goes over the footrest area. Everything is completely covered, so the mat then also goes on top of that. A great way to protect an existing floor or rug that's in great shape. These are all-weather mats, easy to clean. It doesn't matter what environment you're in. If you're in a snow or icy environment, if you're in an area that it rains a lot, these are water and weatherproof. They will hold all the moisture and the dirt up at the surface and makes it easy to clean. You can see the clamps that keep the sides nice and snug. I'm not going to go crazy fastening this because they're going to get all pulled back out again. I need to put a nice ceramic coating. It makes it even easier to clean. Once it's inserted and all the cut and folded sections are placed together, you can hardly tell that there has been so many sections put together, and it's time now to peel off the plastic coating on the nice emblem they have on the driver's side and place in the mat and make sure this fits as well. I like to make sure everything fits before I go and protect it or clean it or work on it in any fashion or way. That way, in case I have to send it back, I can just shove it right back in the bag. Besides some of my own cars, this is the 6th or 7th customer that has gone with this type of a liner mat system, and I've never gotten one that I couldn't get to fit in there nice and snug. They are cut perfectly, they're custom, they're handmade, and they really are high quality. Okay, we have the front passenger side to go. Insert the liner, fasten them with the clamps that are there or the extra ones they send with. Insert the mat, and that's it. I got to tell you, I really enjoy the interior restorations. It doesn't matter if it's a partial or a full one. I have a good time. It's relaxing. It's very rewarding when you're finished. Really, the hardest and most frustrating portion of these restorations is waiting for everything to come in. Like I said, I have 2 more pieces. The backrests for the front seats to come in. I've been waiting the longest on those. They're coming from pretty far away. I can't repair them, so we do have to replace them. So you're really at the mercy of the companies that you're ordering from. And that's why I like to bring you a lot of products from companies that have great customer service and take care of their customers. That's important to me, and then I know in turn that will be important to you, and that's why I will pick those types of products first, products or tools to review or showcase for you guys. And just to show you, 2 fasteners on either side, and I used them, but we still have this one piece that's sort of hanging out away from the wall, and that's where the extra clamps and clips come into play that they send along with the package, and it's just a great idea and another portion of customer service that I really enjoy. As I just slide in the last floor mat here, I could just reiterate that's why I like to order the products and experience them just as you guys will be, from ordering and paying for them to waiting for them to arrive from either UPS or FedEx, and then playing with them and giving a review or sharing my experience with you. That's how I go about the reviews on my channel anyway. Okay, the installation is complete. We're going to back away and just take a look at everything real quick before we pull it all back out again so I can protect it. A fabric guard goes on the mats, and then once again a ceramic coating, leather ceramic coating to protect and make it even easier to clean than it already is. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the mini vlog of the interior restoration. Obviously couldn't get footage of everything I had to do on the vehicle in the interior, but I tried to get snapshots of what kind of work is entailed in a project like this. This wasn't a full restoration, more like a partial restoration. We did restore all the leather, some of the plastic trim, some of the plastic and vinyl flooring and door panels and center console. But it wasn't a full restoration. We could have done the floor, we could have ripped out the rug, put in some new rug, but I did have a budget to work with, and I think he's going to be very happy with it, and I think we did a decent job with the budget we had and the limitations that we had. Brian from Apex Detail, if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate. Catch you guys in the next video.